We are a 100% independent, family-owned company. It's a small company and total workers of 30 people working all together. The human values are very important to us. We consider our clients not as numbers, but we know them by name, and also the people who work with us. Not more than 10 years ago, we started for the first time pre-stressed hollow core production. We started from scratch. We built a new factory together with the help of Elematic. We had no experience in hollow core pre-stressed slabs production. More than 10 years later, it has been a huge success. A few days ago, when I was at the airport in Liège, I was waiting for boarding, and all of a sudden I looked up and I saw on the ceiling my slabs there on the airport. They were used in this building. That gave me a lot of joy and pride of the production we managed to do. Yeah. One of the benefits towards our customers is, of course, that we can offer them a total range of products they need. We produce the 14 height and we go up to 40 centimeters height of slabs we can offer to our clients. And the square meters we produce each year, it's a couple of 100,000 square meters we produce. The hollow core slab elements, they have benefit that they are a sustainable product. They have a long lifetime cycle, which gives us the advantage of using slabs. Nowadays, it's quite important to invest in new technology, in automation of the machinery, because labor force is quite difficult these days. Everybody has difficulties finding the right people to work in their factory. And thanks to innovation, thanks to automation, we can still have a nice square meters a year production. So automation is really the way to go for. This is absolutely necessary to survive in these difficult times, yes. We invested a lot in automation, new plotter, a new extruder, and that was really after the COVID period and the energy crisis, and we were very happy that Elematic still tried to find a solution to meet each other, to talk about the project, and they always took very seriously our particular demands in what we needed, what kind of machinery. In the beginning, when the plotter was running, the operator was a little bit reserved about the progress, about the work itself with the plotter, but nowadays he's one with the machine. He's quite fond of his machine and pride of the work he can do with the plotter. So we are very, very satisfied with the work and the progress we make with the plotter, especially because we avoid a lot of mistakes in the factory itself. So our efficiency is doubled in a couple of years. After 10 years, I invested every year in Elematic machinery, and I've never been disappointed in their support in the operating machines itself. I want my customers to be happy customers, but it's the same way with my suppliers. If they give me a good and a nice feedback and support, and that we are not a number in their database, we can operate and work together for several years. I would recommend Elematic to other manufacturers. We had very good relationship with the salespeople from Elematic. If there is a good connection with the salespeople, you get good results.